Today's video is on the top 3 best computer tower stands. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best budget. Adjustable computer tower stand. Looking to keep your PC secure, mobile, and elevated? This practical personal computer stand is a game changer. Designed with protective railings on both sides, it ensures your PC chassis stays firmly in place, preventing any accidental falls. But that's not all. You'll also enjoy easy access to the back of your PC whenever you need it, whether it's for plugging in cables or performing some routine maintenance. If you've ever struggled with dust and clutter on the floor, this stand helps you raise your gaming gear off the ground and away from any pesky debris. It's perfect for keeping your setup tidy and organized. Now, let's talk about movement. The stand makes it incredibly easy to glide your computer tower wherever you need it. Equipped with 4 360-degree rotating wheels, you can effortlessly shift your PC to clean underneath or rearrange your workspace. Plus, 2 of the wheels come with a locking feature, ensuring your PC stays stationary when you want it to. Need to tuck it away? No problem. This stand can slide neatly under your computer desk or printer stand, making your workspace flexible and efficient. When it comes to sturdiness, you can count on this PC stand to support your heavy setup. Constructed with high-quality metal steel pipe and an upgraded PS panel, it boasts a strong load-bearing capacity, supporting up to 88 pounds without breaking a sweat. Its stable structure is specifically designed to ensure the safety of your computer tower, so you can have peace of mind knowing your equipment is secure. And assembly? It's a breeze, no tools are needed, so you can set it up quickly and get back to gaming or working in no time. But what about heat? This stand has you covered there too. The clever perforated design at the bottom allows for optimal air circulation, keeping your computer tower cool and functioning efficiently. By maintaining a sufficient distance from the floor, it promotes better heat dissipation, preventing overheating during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. The extra surface clearance also improves ventilation, which is crucial for computers with power supplies located at the bottom. This thoughtful design greatly protects your computer tower and prolongs its lifespan. Lastly, let's talk about versatility. The adjustable width of the stand ranges from 7.87 inches to 11.81 inches, with a fixed length of 15.75 inches. This means it can accommodate a wide variety of computer towers available on the market today. Whether you have a compact mini tower or a full-size tower, this stand is an excellent choice. Its adaptability makes it a smart investment for anyone looking to enhance their computer setup. So if you're ready to elevate your gaming or work experience, this CPU stand is the way to go. With its perfect combination of practicality, mobility, sturdiness, heat dissipation, and versatility, it checks all the boxes for what you need in a PC stand. Don't wait any longer. Give your computer the safe and stylish home it deserves. Give that subscribe button a lift like your computer tower will with these stands. Number 2. Best overall. Eyre computer tower stand. Looking to keep a workspace organized and efficient? Meet the PC tower stand with a built-in charging station, designed especially for IT professionals. With integrated dual 120 volts by 12 ampere sockets and dual USB ports, this stand provides a neat way to power up laptops, smartphones, printers, tablets, or any electronic devices. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience, as all gadgets can be charged and ready to go. Plus, this computer tower rack also doubles as a side table, offering an extra power source for desk lamps. Now, let's talk about versatility. The adjustable height wood computer tower stand is a game changer for office setups. Featuring 2 tiers and offering 10 distinct height adjustments, it allows for the perfect placement of small office towers, printers, or mobile devices like smartphones and tablets at just the right height for comfort and ergonomics. The adjustable dimensions ensure that the stand aligns seamlessly with desks, creating a clean and professional look that enhances any workspace. If more space is needed, the expanded dimensions of the mobile PC stand have everyone covered. This personal computer holder boasts a spacious bottom dimension of 19.2 by 11.5 inches, providing ample room for devices. Whether you are a gamer looking for a place to house a console or a professional needing space for multiple gadgets, this stand offers a snug fit and an accommodating platform that meets diverse needs. For gamers, the PC stand with wheels is designed with convenience in mind. It includes 4 robust hooks for gaming headsets, keeping them close at hand. The 2 wheels come with built-in brakes, allowing for smooth movement while also securing the position of the computer tower holder. This blend of utility and style makes it the perfect choice for the modern gamer who values both function and aesthetics. Versatility is key, and the multi-functional computer tower shelf fits seamlessly into any room, be it a home office, bustling business environment, classroom, or immersive gaming space. It's not just a stand, it also serves as a table or side table, offering additional workspace and storage. Whether in IT, office work, or passionate gaming, this stand meets diverse needs while reflecting a stylish yet functional design in any setting. Safety is also a priority. As the value increases, the load-bearing capacity decreases. For those planning to place a large computer tower or heavy items on top, it's recommended to set the value to 1 to 4. Before using the stand, it's important to check all screws and ensure they are properly tightened for the best experience. If any issues arise, reaching out for support is encouraged. There's a commitment to resolving concerns promptly and efficiently. Number 1. Our pick. Vivo Computer Tower Floor Stand. Are you tired of clutter and disorganization in your workspace? If you have a bulky PC, gaming system, printer, or other equipment taking up valuable floor space, it's time to consider the mobile PC holder. This fantastic 2-tier cart is designed with your needs in mind, offering a smart solution to keep everything tidy and accessible. Let's talk about the dimensions. Each shelf measures 25.3 inches by 11.8 inches, providing ample room for your oversized gear. No more cramming your devices into tight spots. Plus, with 4 smooth rolling casters, you can easily glide the cart across different types of flooring, whether it's carpet, tile, or hardwood. And when you want it to stay put, simply engage the 2 lockable casters to keep the cart stable and secure. What sets this cart apart is its ability to help you master workspace organization. Imagine having your PC precisely where you want it and the ability to effortlessly move it when you need to clean or rearrange your setup. This flexibility not only enhances your productivity, but also ensures that your workspace remains neat and clutter-free. Say goodbye to the chaos of tangled cords and scattered equipment. The design of this mobile PC holder is equally impressive. Its open-frame C-shape not only provides easy access to crucial ports on your PC, but it also promotes excellent airflow. This means your equipment can stay cool even during intense gaming sessions or demanding work tasks, helping to prolong the life of your devices. Each shelf can support up to 88 pounds, so you don't have to worry about weight limits while optimizing your space. Need flexibility? This cart adjusts to fit your needs with a height range from 21.5 inches to 33.3 inches. This means it can accommodate most computer cases on the market, including full tower ATX cases. The top platform is perfect for your printer, PC accessories, or even some decorative items, blending functionality with a touch of style. And the best part? You're covered with a 3-year manufacturer warranty and friendly tech support ready to assist with any questions or concerns. So if you're looking to upgrade your workspace with a convenient and stylish solution, this mobile PC holder is worth considering. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.